are you trying to do? For what reason? What did I do? Could I not? Could I not drive? Say anyone, could I not drive? Nah. Stop me for no reason. There was no traffic. I just slowed down though, and then I turned. Well, mm-mm.
2 shows on traffic stop shopping district 2000. That 32 is moving.
Why is your rifle on your chest and why is your vest on?
304 dispatch, show me en route, code 2.
You don't even have a duty belt. You don't have a body camera, officer. How am I supposed to know you're even an officer?
304 dispatch,
Oh,
show me on
Gigan,
scene, 365.
I just got stopped. No, not you. I just got stopped for no reason. No. Muddy Branch Road 3010. Yeah. I pink Durango. I'm not running.
Nice truck you have.
Yes, pink Durango. Is what? I'm clearly not speaking to you, officer. Wait.
Alright, so, what is it?
Wait. Alright, yep. Keegan, yeah, I'm on Muddy Road. Yeah, Muddy Branch, whatever it's called.
Hey, what's the issue? Yep.
I didn't fly past it. I slowed down and turned.
Hey, listen, I'm Corporal Daniels with Maryland State Police, okay? I'm gonna give you one warning and one warning only. You're gonna give us your ID, registration, proof of insurance, okay? That's a lawful order. Failure to do so results in you getting handcuffed, understood? Yes or no?
Sir, we need your ID and proof of insurance and
Take him out the
registration.
car and cuff him.
Alright,
Take him out the car.
sir, step out of the car. Show me in a 1080 with a pink 4-door SUV. Suspect is out of vehicle.
1189, the pink door car is armed. He has a 10.
Go ahead and show me. I need EMS en route right now to shopping district 2000. I just shot and killed somebody.
Stop the vehicle!
He just shot at me.
Stop the vehicle!
1167.
Stop the vehicle!
1199. Can I get 32 West Deer Park Road for a armed suspect?
Get EMS for that guy.
1189, what's that? 1020?
West Deer Park Road, postal 2000. I need EMS and a supervisor to shopping district 2000.
10-4.
No, alright, we need a coroner. You guys are ready.
Can we get a supervisor to the shopping district to postal 2000 corner?
1080 with a pink four-door SUV 2018, currently heading down Montgomery Village Avenue, heading onto I-70.
1189 break. We have a couple. It's gonna be 2015 Mustang, license plate A3463D. He is wanted for his arrest. Reason I was just gonna pull him over because he was reckless driving, but now pull him over.
Ten 80 with a pink SUV four-door, currently heading past City Gas, going southbound. Should be on Great Falls Road. Going past the gun store. Step out the vehicle! Step out the vehicle, sir! Step out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle now!
Contacting Maryland State Police Department. I'm in a 1080. You're heading into your jurisdiction. Could I get one of you guys?
Bolo on a
black Ford Expedition, I believe, or Ford something. The driver's a black male wearing a tuxedo with medium hair, like medium long hair.
Show me a 1080 with a pink four-door Dodge
11,
SUV.
1189, can I get EMS down to I-17,012? We have a bad car crash after a 1080 turns from 10. Can I get you left here?
Need backup for a 1080 on South Frederick Avenue. Step out the car! Step out the car!
Your car's
Need
still-
backup on at 109 South Frederick Avenue with a suspect in a pink SUV.
Oh, great. I ran out of gas.
Step out the car!
This can go two ways. Two single ways.
Step out of the car!
Requesting EMS to I-17-2012. Be advised, one person down after a car accident.
Need immediate backup at 110 Frederick Avenue.
1167, requesting EMS to the Fairfield Police Department. I just got stabbed by a suspect with a knife.
Shots fired, shots fired. 111 Frederick Avenue.